do 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 Blackpink do 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 Blackpink. Hey. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to review one of the most talked items online. This is the Bang mini microphone. Yay! Okay. Actually, my sister bought this. Well, I have to pay her because I'm broke right now. So seriously, do you wanna know how much it costs? For only 99 pesos, you have a buy one, take one. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now we're talking about the features. First, it is a plug and play. No software needed for this device. Diretso lang. Second, it is compatible in any devices. Android mostly. Laptop, cell phone, and smartphones, anything. Yeah. And the third one, it is lightweight. It's not actually heavy, obviously.
So let's get testing.
So right now, I'm going to open this package. I think it's already open because I opened this for the thumbnail. I'm so sorry. So I have to open this. Wait. On my hand because I'm holding the phone on the other hand. Okay. Damn. It's so hard. Damn. Okay. Nice. As you can see here, they have earphones. Obviously, 2 earphones. The left and the right. And this lightweight microphone. Isn't it cute? So amazing. I'm so excited to try this. See? So actually it has a lot of colors. Purple, blue, orange, and green. So it says here that exquisite build, youth fashion color. We have 4 colors you can choose, obviously. Yeah. So it also says apply all intelligent phone and flat. Wow, intelligent. I thought it's a smartphone. It says intelligent. Wow, a lot of IQ here. So it is also portable. It's also for open use conference. These are the apps. I think these are Chinese apps, but you can use this in any app. So right now we're going to test these. Yeah, baby, I'm so excited. Let's plug in 2 earphones. Where's the left and the right here? Screw this. Then I have to use the microphone. Okay, insert. Okay, press the answer key, whatever. So I have to test this. Hello, mic test. Hello. Hello, mic test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. I'm going to do this further. Hello, mic test. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Enough. I got carried away. Love this. So I'm going to review right now. Damn it. So we're now going to review the Bang mini microphone. I have a list here. So let's get started. Okay, stop. So the sound is alright. It does not have echoes or anything that distorts your ears. And also all of them are functioning. Plus, it's so cute. Okay, I love the colors. Look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna boast this. Okay, enough. Should I recommend this one? Absolutely, 2 thumbs up. Yes, I love it. Link in the description below if you want to buy the Bang mini microphone. Totally recommended. So that's it for today. Till next video. Bye bye.